Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In our previous videos, we have discussed about interview questions, most popular interview questions. We touched upon most preferred answers, and we also discussed about communication skills, how we can work on improving our communication skills. So, in this video, we'll go further in detail on individual questions about the most popular questions asked in interviews. To start with, the first question which I have jotted down is the most popular question, which is introduce yourself. So, this is a question which can be a make or break question for the candidate. If you've cleared this question, then your chances of going through to the next round or being selected, shortlisted for the next round becomes very good. So, small tips while attending this session or the interview: uh, be well groomed, have a pleasant personality, be clean shaven. Also, try and be punctual for the interview as per the schedule, and monitor body hygiene as well. And when it comes to interviewing interviewers, try and make eye contact with all the interviewers, greet them with a smile. So here we go with the first interview question. Introduce yourself. I will role play as an interviewee and introduce myself. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. My name is Asif. I'm a hotel management graduate from Usmania University. I have done my industrial training from ITC Sheraton. I love cooking, and my hobbies are collecting recipes. I have a very small and sweet family. My father is a government employee. My mother is a homemaker. I have one younger sister who's studying. In my leisure time, I like fishing and I watch movies. My ambition is when I grow up, I want to be independent. I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to start a business of my own in hospitality sector, and I also want to be a writer. I want to be a critic. I want to be a content writer about hotel, hospitality, and aviation. That's a long term plan. But currently, I would like to join a organization where I can learn, where I can grow, and where I can prove my potential and make friends, network, and contribute towards the organization growth and successively grow together with the organization. Given this opportunity, I promise to give the best of my potential. And thank you for your time for interviewing me. So, guys, that was a short and crisp introduction. You can add, delete, or make changes as per your profile, as per your hobbies. So, basically, keep the introduction very crisp, very simple, yet make it very lively. Have an eye contact with all the interviewers. Even if somebody is not asking you a question, try and acknowledge them, their presence in the room as a part of the interviewers, and address with a smile. There can be situation where you get uncomfortable because of few questions, but maintain your cool and make sure you calmly answer all the questions which are asked. So this is the first question. In the next video, I will answer to the next question, guys. See you around. Bye.